How to secure your phone from spying, simple steps. Anyone can follow. Are you being watched through your phone? You might be and not even know it. Let me show you how to stop it. Welcome to EGY.Cybersecurity.School, your place to learn how to stay safe in the digital world. Step by step. Part 1. Signs your phone might be compromised. Is your battery draining fast? Is your phone heating up for no reason? Part 2. How to protect your phone. 1. Anything you don't recognize. 2. Check app permissions, revoke microphone, camera, and location access from apps that don't need them. 3. Update your phone regularly. Install system and security updates. They fix vulnerabilities. 4. Use a strong lock screen. Set a strong passcode or biometric lock. Avoid using patterns or 4-digit codes. 5. Turn off unused features. Disable Bluetooth, location, NFC, and Wi-Fi when not needed. 6. Avoid public Wi-Fi or use a VPN. Hackers often exploit open networks. A VPN encrypts your traffic. Suspicious links enable to FA for all accounts. Regularly review your Google, Apple account security activity. Finally, your phone holds your entire life. Like, subscribe, and share to stay ahead of threats. See you in the next video.